Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make best use of JavaScript console object. So, as a developer, I used to when I used to use JavaScript in a project. So, the best thing for debugging I used to use Console.log, which is to help me to get the type of value inside a particular variable. So now in this video, we are going to explore more about console object and the various methods available. So at the end of the video, you will be familiar with most of the methods and how to use them. The first default method is the log method, which is the most common and frequently used. And this is just used to display the data in the console log here. If I refresh, you can see the message data is displayed here. And if you want to show error in your console log, if you want to alert the user that there is an error, then it is better to use error method. So basically this method will display error message in your console log. So like this. Okay, or else if you just you can pass the message also, and it will show you as error. So now sometimes you want to get the trace stack of through what is the variable has gone through, what are the methods it has gone through, how many scripts it has gone through, and it just displays the what file or what variable through which it has gone and all. The warn method puts a warning message in the console, and mostly if there are any CSS compatibility issues or might have used a deprecated JavaScript method. Sometimes browser it is mostly displayed by the browser to show warnings. The assert method is used to evaluate a condition. If the condition returned false, the message as assertion failed is displayed in the console. Time-end method are used to track timing between two functions or between the execution of the script. So what you need to do is in the time you need to use a keyword start, or you can use any keyword, and at the time end you need to use the same keyword that you have used in the time. So if you call the time end method at the end, then it will output you the timing in milliseconds, which shows you the how much time it took for the script to execute. The table method is quite helpful as it displays the arrays and objects in table format, which makes it easy to explore its details. So here we have a student's array which has a multiple objects, and if you use table on this, we can get a table like display, which is easy to analyze, as you can see. So here we have a taken element that is with the ID myPara, and it is inside dir method. So the dir method basically displays the attributes and methods of that, and at the top I have added HTML tag. So now if I run in a browser, it will display me a drop down which the myPara element has all the methods and all the attributes which we can use. So this is, I can say, that one of the most useful console methods that is very much helpful for analyzing the methods and the properties of the object. Apart from that, there is also a method called dirxml, which displays the element in XML format. You can also add CSS properties to console.log. So you can add these two text. The first one is the text you want to display in the console, and the second one are the CSS properties that you will be passing that you want to apply in the text. So here I will use color as red, then I will use font size as 25 pixel. If you refresh, it won't work, as you need to add, there is one more step remaining here. So you need to work at the beginning, that is in the attention, and you need to add %c, and now if you hit refresh, you can see it's working. So this was all about JavaScript console object. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Bye.